Today I'm making an effort to make a salad. So I already sprouted some green gram dal, but I'm going to try it for the first time in my kitchen with you guys live. Let's see how this turns out. Hey guys, I'm super excited. I just got all the ingredients and I'm ready. I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients right now, all right? Sprouted green gram lentil, cilantro, carrot, cucumber, tomato and green chili, mango and lemon, salt and sugar, fresh or frozen coconut. Time to chop the veggies. Diced cucumbers. Dish them into the salad bowl. Grate carrots. Some tomato. The good thing about this recipe, you can use less or more of one of these veggies as per your choice. I used to love peeling a mango when I was small. I used to think this is an art. So I used to try to peel a mango in such a way that I could get the whole mango peeled in one shot. So I'm going to see if I'm still good at that. Ooh, there you go. Ta-da! All right, now we got to cut this mango. I think this is going to be the best part of my salad. So I'm going to use a lot of this mango. Time to chop some cilantro. Cut off the stem. Now chop the cilantro finely. My green chili. I don't think this is too spicy, so I'm going to cut probably half a green chili. I don't like too spicy, so I'm just going to cut this very, very finely chopped. And there we have it. And add fresh or frozen coconut. So now we are going to use a little bit of lemon juice. So I'm going to cut this into half. And Auntie told me to taste it. So I'm just going to put a little bit right now. And then later, if I need more, I'm going to squeeze a little more. So right now, I'm just going to squeeze just enough for taste. So depending on your taste, you can squeeze as much as you want. And the other thing I was asked to do in this recipe is to put half a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm going to be putting I like sugar, but maybe not this time. I'm just going to put half a teaspoon because this is a salad. I'm going to put salt to taste. Okay, I think that should be good for now. If we need more, we can always add salt and sugar and lemon juice. Now let's go into, now we are going to actually temper this. So let's go into the tempering process. Okay guys, now I'm going into the tempering process for this salad. I have with me coconut oil, hing, green chilies, half a teaspoon mustard and half a teaspoon of urad dal. And I'm going to turn on the stove and I'm going to some coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seed, let it splutter. Add urad dal. Once the urad dal is brown, add green chilies and hing. Now add this tempering to the salad. So there you have it. I just added the tempering into the salad and now I give it a good mix. So the salt, the sugar and everything gets well mixed. This looks so delicious and it looks so colorful. Why would anybody not like to eat salad anymore? Look at that. Well, I can tell you how much I enjoyed making this recipe, and being someone who doesn't like eating salads, If I tell that I cannot resist from eating this salad, then I must be telling a lie, because this salad looks so tempting, and I think you all will agree with me. So now we have the tasting time. Guys, so fresh, it's so spring like, and it's just an explosion in my mouth. I am now a believer. I love salads. I'm going to try this every time, and I'm sure this is one of the most healthy salads. So please give it a try, and please let me know how you like it.